I will show you an example, another example. So let's back to first example and complete it. So for example, when we run the command start job, we have dash script block. When we get this symbol right there, when you find this segment, we will call it this a segment symbol minus and the word. That means this text should be written without the segment. As you see, the command should be right like that. Let's make it big. So you see, start job minus script block. For example, you will find here minus name, so the command should be start job minus name. Do you understand? When you see this symbol and minus and the word right here, that means you need to write the word exactly without this segment symbol. Then we have this symbol right here, that means a name. We have, for example, let's copy this. So to get some norm, when you have this symbol right here, that means you need to write a name of this job. For example, we call it this job as script 1, or for example, job 1, etc. This is a variable name. This symbol means you need to put a variable name of the command. Then we have another symbol right here. When you find this symbol, write it like that. This symbol, script block, then segment and script block. That means this command accepts to have multi-variable. That means you want to start, for example, 2 or 3 jobs in the same times. If you find it, that means this command should be right. For example, here, job 1, comma, job 2, comma, job 3, etc. When you find this symbol right here, that means you can create more than value or more than text in this place. So now we have a different command. So let's make it more clear. So this command, this symbol right here with this double symbol, that means this command is only one job every time. Every command should be connected with one job. But if he used this symbol right here, that means he accepts multi-value to run with one command. Like you see, for example, this command only run with job, for example, 1, but this command, it's run with job 1, comma, job 2, comma, job 3. So when you find text between this double segment, that means it's necessary to write this text or this command with the original command. Like you see here, we need, and it is obligatory, it is necessary to add this text right here. Then we have this command right here, this text right here. When you find a command that is written between this double segment, you find this is a text inside, then another text, all the text between this double segment. That means this is an optional command. You can write it or you don't need to write it. This is an optional command. You can add it to get more details. But this is the initial command. To be a complete command, you need to add this word right here. But anything between this double segment and content different variable, that means it is an optional. Let's see another example. For example, here, this name, like you see here, we have dash name string. The string, that means a text. You need to add a text here or a variable, like we use the job 1. So you see we have this variable here between double segment. That means this is an optional option. You can rewrite it or you don't need to use it. Then we have rain as 32. Rain as 32 between this double segment. That means it is necessary to write this command. It is obligatory to write this command. Then we have a command parameter between this double symbol. Like you see, the original is between this double segment. Then we have the other segment right there. That means this is an optional command. This is obligatory and this is option. I wish you understand what I mean. So when you find a symbol like that between this double segment, it is obligatory, and this is the variable that you need to write in relation about this condition right here. Then we have this text right here. It is an optional, another optional variable. We have another one, etc. So this is how to read the command syntax in the help. Also, he show you another technique how to this command is written. So as my experience, the first line is it's like you see the academic line that will be used in general, but the second line is the most approached user that you need to use when you want to work with it. So like you see star a job, here he gives the file paid, then he give it the string. The string that means the text or the name for the file paid. For example, you want to start a job, this job where it is saved, for example in C, new folder for example, then he give it the name of the job that is saved in this paid. Of course it is optional, but to complete a job, to get it more detail to run normally. Then he give you more details, script block, for example this script block you can add it right here, argument list, etc. So as my experience, you can see that always that the academic syntax in the first line, then the most user syntax is the second line. And of course, it's the same results. If you use the first or the second, it will be the same result. So this is how to read a syntax or the help of any command. Also, you can't mix between this double syntax. You have to choose the first syntax or the second syntax. You can't mix between this double syntax. You start a job and start script block and continue with the same format of the syntax, or you can use the second syntax by starting by file paid and string, etc.